I start by taking a small section through the fringe area, holding my razor on an angle towards the hair follicle. I gently move the razor up and down to remove length and create a soft textured edge. For the side sections, I over-direct the hair across to the center. Using the tip of my razor, I repeat the same movement. This increases length into the corners of the fringe and helps the shape open softly around the face. I repeat the same process on the opposite side. You'll notice my body position changes with every section. This is important because your body position helps control the over direction and keeps the shape balanced. Now I stand in front of the section and use my razor to remove bulk and weight before repeating the same process through the next section. Once the fringe is cut, I add a small amount of styling cream, comb the fringe into place and allow the air to dry for the softest result. We are getting closer to our goal of 100k subscribers, and 90% of you who watch my channel aren't even subscribed yet. Lend us a hand and subscribe today. For the face framing, I take small sections and remove weight from the above and behind the section, creating a soft triangle or diamond shape around the face. Each section is cut slightly longer as I work back, depending on how soft or dramatic I want the face frame to be. You can also connect this into the back of the haircut with increased layers if needed. This is my quick go-to technique for combining a textured fringe with face framing on almost any haircut. And if you want to learn how to cut a textured micro bang with a heavier bang and super textured line, watch this tutorial next.